Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make chicken curry using only the chicken legs. First we have to remove the skin. The easiest way to do that is to pull the skin back. Use a paper towel since they're a little slippery. Just pull it back like this. Then hold the skin and it pulls right off. It's very easy. Pull the skin off of all of the drumsticks. The chicken's been washed. Now I'll score the chicken with a knife. Score both sides. It doesn't have to be too deep. Now we'll marinate the chicken with a little white vinegar, salt, ground black pepper, ground turmeric, garlic powder, red chili powder, and garam masala. Mix this really well. By the way, if you just got a manicure and have a very light nail polish on, make sure to wear gloves because the turmeric will stain your fingers. Make sure the spices and vinegar get into each piece of chicken. Leave the chicken to marinate for 1 hour. If you only have half an hour, that's okay too. While the chicken's marinating, prepare the other ingredients. Cumin seeds, coriander seeds. You can substitute already ground coriander. I always like to grind mine fresh because it smells so much better. It takes just a few seconds and it's completely worth it. If you don't have one already, I highly recommend you get a little spice grinder like this. It's a coffee grinder, but it can also be used for spices. It's one of the most useful appliances in the kitchen. Green chilies. I've already added black pepper and red chili powder to the chicken, so you don't need too many green chilies unless you like it very spicy. Cut up tomatoes, chopped red onion, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, and I've also chopped the green chilies. The chicken's marinated for over an hour. Now we can make the curry. Heat up a pot to cook the chicken in. Add vegetable oil. When the oil's hot, add the cumin seeds. They'll sizzle and you can cook them for about 20 seconds until you smell them. They've gotten a little bit darker and you can smell them. Add the chopped onions. Salt. Sauté the onions until soft. Once the onions are soft, you can add the ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Sauté everything until golden brown. Now everything's golden brown. Add a little bit of ground turmeric, chili powder, garam masala, and coriander powder. Stir for about 15-20 seconds until you smell the spices. You want the raw smell of the spices to go away. Turn down the heat a little to make sure that the spices don't burn. Add the chopped tomatoes. Cover and cook until the tomatoes are soft. Stir in between. You can smash the tomatoes a little bit till the oil has separated. Now we can add the chicken. Mix well. Cover and cook until the chicken is tender. I'm not adding any water now. The chicken will release some juices. Check the chicken after 5 minutes and add boiling water if you need to. Don't add cold water. After 5 minutes, we'll add some water. Cover and keep cooking. In about 10 minutes, check the chicken again and add more water if you need to. Turn the chicken pieces over and continue cooking. After 10 more minutes, gravy is getting nice and thick. Chicken's almost cooked. I like to cook the chicken really well until it's almost falling off the bone. Add a tiny bit more water. Taste the gravy and add more salt if you need to. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. Cover and cook for about 5 more minutes. The meat is falling off, so it's completely cooked. Total cooking time is about 30 minutes. You can see the gravy's nice and thick. Since this curry has a good amount of gravy, I like to serve it over white rice. If you want a little green on top, add some chopped cilantro. Chicken's very tender. You can see it just comes right off with a fork. It's so tasty, you have to make it. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.